Question 12. Solve for x. Log with base x of 216 is equal to 3. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to an exponent. So this is going to be x raised to 3 is equal to 216. Now I want x equal to something. I don't want x raised to something equal to a number. So I'm going to get rid of this exponent 3 by taking the cube root, which is essentially saying, if I go back, it's essentially saying I'm raising both sides to 1 over 3. Okay, so that is the same thing as saying the cube root, because these will cancel out now. Okay, so the cube root of 216 as well. Okay, so let's cancel out, so I have x is equal to. Okay, so this is going to be, when I take the cube root of 216, it will give me 6. And the reason is, if I break this down a little bit further, if you take 216 and you start trying to divide it by, say, a 2, and then a 3, and then 4 and 5, and you hit 6, well, 36 times 6, that's the same thing as 216. And then I can break down that 36 into 6 times 6 times 6. Well, notice I've got 3 of the same number, so I will pull one of those out, and that will give me my final answer. Or you can just enter this into your calculator and it should give you the number 6.